Hey there, fellow home cooks. If you're staring at your Kenmore oven displaying the dreaded error code E1F5, especially on those shiny 2025 models, you're not alone. This code typically signals a problem with the oven's temperature sensor or its control board, which can throw off your baking plans in a heartbeat. In today's video, we'll break it all down step by step so you can get back to whipping up your favorite meals without the hassle. First off, let's talk about what E1F5 really means. In Kenmore ovens, this error often points to an issue with the oven temperature sensor not communicating properly with the control board. It could be due to a faulty sensor, loose wiring, or even a power surge that disrupted the system. For 2025 models, Kenmore has updated some sensors for better efficiency, but glitches can still happen. Now, before you call in a professional, let's try some quick troubleshooting. Start by unplugging your oven for at least 30 seconds to reset it. This simple step fixes about half the cases. Once it's reset, check if the error persists. If it does, inspect the wiring connected to the temperature sensor. Make sure there are no visible damages or loose connections. You might need to access the back panel, so grab a screwdriver and be careful. If you're handy, you can test the sensor with a multimeter. A reading outside the normal range, like not around 1000 to 1100 ohms at room temperature, means it's time for a replacement. Kenmore parts are widely available online, and installing a new sensor is straightforward. Just follow the user manual. Remember, if you're unsure or dealing with an older model, it's always safer to consult a certified technician to avoid any electrical risks. In summary, error code E1F5 is usually manageable with a reset or sensor check, but don't ignore it as it could lead to bigger issues. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more home appliance tips. See you next time.